my dear students, we have already seen the type integration based on perfect square methods from the board's perspective. Now let us have a look at it from the entrance point of view. The very first sum here we have is 1 upon 4x square plus 4x minus 15 dx. Now my dear students, there are 4 options out of which one of them is in tan inverse. And if you observe that the option D, which is in tan inverse, has both x in the numerator and denominator, which is not possible. So I may say option D is not the answer. This is just one small hint which I have got by looking at the options. Which is the correct answer? We will see by solving the question. And how do we do that? Let us see the very first step here. Now, this integral is of the type 1 upon quadratic. So can I say that I am supposed to do the first step, that is make the coefficient of x square as 1. So can I put 1 by 4 outside? That is, I am taking a 4 common. What we will get is 1 upon x square plus x minus of 15 by 4. And obviously dx will be there. Now my dear students, to convert this into one of the standard forms, I need to add, subtract a number which we have already seen, which is given by the formula half into coefficient of x the whole square, that is half into 1 the whole square in this case, which is nothing but 1 by 4. So my dear students, what I am going to do in the next step is add, subtract 1 by 4 is equal to 1 by 4 integral of 1 upon x square plus x minus 15 by 4, which was there earlier as it is, and minus n plus 1 by 4. Now my dear students, this is what is going to give me in the standard form. Let's copy this here for our reference. Now 1 by 4 will be as it is. 1 upon x square plus x plus 1 by 4 can be written as x plus 1 by 2 the whole square, and obviously minus 15 minus 1, which is minus 16 upon 4, which is 4. So that is minus of 2 square. Is that okay, my dear students? Now if I apply the formula of 1 upon x square minus a square, I get 1 by 4 into 1 upon 2 into 2. So that's effectively 1 upon 16 log of x plus 1 by 2 minus of 2 upon x plus 1 by 2 plus of 2 plus c. Now that's 1 by 16 log mod of 2x minus 3 upon 2x plus 5 plus c. Now my dear students, we have to check which option out of the 4. Now 1 by 16, if you see, my dear students, is present only in option A. So can we say that option A is the correct answer? And that's how we have approached this particular question. Now my dear students, let's take the look at the next question. Now if you were to remember, this is the same which we saw earlier. Now let us see in a different way, how can I approach this particular question? My dear students, if you see in this question, there is a quadratic in the denominator, and I very well know that it can be factorized. 1 upon 4x square plus 4x minus 15. How do we proceed? Let us see, my dear students. Let me consider the quadratic, which is 4x square plus 4x minus 15. Now if you have to factorize this quadratic by splitting the middle term, can I say I have to get the factors of the number minus 60 so as to be given in such a part that it will be giving me 2 factors which on addition will give me plus 4. So that will be obtained by taking the factors at 10 and minus 6. To be precise, plus 10 and minus 6. So can we write here 4x square plus 10x minus 6x minus 15. Now if I observe from the first 2 terms, I can take a 2x common to get 2x plus 5, and from the last 2 a minus 3 common and 2x plus 5 again. So what we get on factorizing is 2x plus 5 and 2x minus 3. Now my dear students, if you observe, these 2 terms 2x plus 5 and 2x minus 3 are not present in options B, C and D. They are missing from these options. So if 2x plus 5 into 2x minus 3 is present only in option A, then option A has to be the answer. So without solving, just by observing the options, I understand that B, C, D cannot be the answer, and therefore answer is option A. This is another way of solving the same MCQ rather than the perfect square method. That's all I have in this module, my dear students. Thank you very much.